Hey everyone, the Oppo Find X7 has expanded its lineup of high-end smartphones with the release of a brand new white color option in China. At debut, the Find X7 series' base model came in black, purple, desert silver, and sea and sky color options. For customers in the Chinese market, White's edition offers a sophisticated and new choice. The remarkable characteristics of the Oppo Find X7 White edition are carried over from its predecessors. With a large 6.78-inch curved OLED display, a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and a high 1.5K resolution, it promises an immersive visual experience. The Dimensity 8300 SoC, which supports up to 16 gigs of RAM and a substantial 1 TB of internal storage, powers this device and meets the demands of consumers for both performance and capacity. One of the standout features of the Oppo Find X7 is its substantial 5000 mAh battery, supporting 100-watt wired fast charging. This ensures rapid and convenient charging, keeping the device powered up for extended usage without lengthy downtime. On the camera front, the Find X7 White edition maintains its excellence with a triple camera setup on the rear. This setup includes a 50-megapixel primary camera for high-resolution shots, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens for expansive captures, and a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto lens for impressive zoom capabilities. For selfie enthusiasts, there's a 32-megapixel front camera, delivering sharp and detailed self-portraits. Aside from the addition of new colors, there are no other differences in terms of appearance, specifications, or pricing for the Oppo Find X7 White variant. It retains all the features and capabilities of the existing models in the Find X7 series. The Oppo Find X7 White variant starting price for the configuration with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage is 3,999 yuan, or roughly $552. This price model makes it possible for customers to take advantage of the new color option at no extra cost, making it an excellent alternative for anyone searching for a powerful yet fashionable smartphone. The Oppo Find X7 remains an appealing option for those looking for a high-end smartphone, thanks to its elegant appearance, robust features, and the addition of a visually striking white color option. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting, so don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.